glad to be back myself. I know it's been a little bit since I've been on, but I've been going through some little bit of things, but you know what? God is still good. So today I am going to show y'all a farmhouse French country look. And I just kind of got some things from around the house. I hadn't been out shopping, so I shopped in my house. So I'm gonna put this together and I hope y'all enjoy it. So I do want to say that I got this little cabinet here from my sister, MsBrendaDee. She was gonna put it on the side of the road, and then she thought about me decorating, so she said, Betty, do you want this before I put it beside the road? And you know I'm gonna say yes. So it was brown and some of the glass has been broken out. It had a little door here, so I took all that out. I just really wanted just the shelves. So I chalk painted it white, and I took all the glass out. And I'm sorry I don't have that on film. That's just something I did one day. And I took all the glass out. And this may be something, if you have some kind of old buffet that you want to get rid of, it's something always can be recycled. So I went on, took the door off, and then I painted it in white. And then I also put some shelf paper in it for the background also, and put some little knobs on it. It didn't have any knobs on it. I already have my lamp up here. It's just a little cute little French lamp. I thought it was just so cute. And it's old. I think that was given to me in a little basket back there. I don't know where I got it from. So that's gonna be my centerpiece, my starting point. Okay, I got my little greenery here, and this is what I'm gonna start with. And I got this from somewhere, I don't remember where I got it from, y'all. Probably from a resale store or something. And I think it's real cute. Then I have my little riser here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. And this is gonna be real fast, y'all. I'm gonna try to go real fast with it. Then I'm gonna use my chargers. I just thought they were so cute because it's gonna be kind of black and white and green. I'm gonna place these here. Then I also have these little cute little plates here with the little peacock on it and the little flowers around it. Just an old plate that I got from, I don't know, Goodwill somewhere. But I'm gonna place it with my chargers. And that's just to give it some more extra color. Since this is almost Easter and spring, I'm going to use my little rabbit here. And I'm also going to put this little green ball on it. And then I put my little ribbon on it. Isn't that cute? Then I also have another little ball. I'm going to put it here. I think it's looking good. And then I have my little topi. I'm gonna put it like right here. Because it's almost spring, y'all. And then y'all see I still got my sweater on. It's still cold outside. Okay, then I'm gonna add some more flowers to my my greenery here. And I just kind of place these right here inside of here. I'm gonna add some more flowers to it too. And I'm gonna leave this like this for the whole, probably to summertime also. I don't know if I'm gonna change out all of this. And I'm just going to be adding little flowers, little picks to it, okay? Like I said, I'm going to try to make this real fast, y'all. I don't want to keep y'all a long time. And I'm still in recovery, so I'm not going to do a whole lot. And I'm just using little picks anywhere that I can put them. I had these last year, and I'm just going to use them this year also. What y'all think about that? I'm gonna add a few more because I do want it to look like spring and summer. Okay, what y'all think so far? Now that's all that I'm gonna do to the top. So now I'm gonna do the next shelf. And I'm gonna start out with this little pretty pear. It's just a picture that I've been had for a while. I had it on my wall in my kitchen. So I'm gonna use this in this buffet. And I'm just gonna place it here. And I got these right here. I think it's from an estate sale or something. It's been a while ago and I never hardly used them. But I just look, it's just got this old timey, like a little lady sitting at her table out there in the yard drinking some, I don't know, she drinks some tea. She drinks some tea or coffee or something. I don't know what she drinks, but she's drinking something. So I'm gonna put these in here like so. Like I say, it's no glass, so I can put these up just like so. And I got two, so I'm gonna put it on each side. And that just give it that farmhouse look. Next, I'm gonna put these little candle holders. I'm gonna put these right like so. And that just gives it a different texture. I found these little roosters. I thought they were so cute. I might have got them from Goodwill maybe, but I got 3 of them. And so I'm going to display these, okay? I'm going to put one here. I'm gonna move it over here. And I'm so sorry for my lighting, y'all. This lighting is not the great in the world today. And my shelf doesn't have any light in it. So eventually I'm going to put some lighting inside of here so that at night I can light it up. Okay, and I'm going to use my little owls. They was gold, but I wanted to chalk paint them white. And so I'm going to use this pretty little picture here, the blue. It just kind of look more French-like. I'm gonna go ahead and put it here. Oh, before I do that. another riser. I'm gonna put it here. Then I got this pretty little bowl that goes with my picture here. Okay, and I just put some little balls in it with a candle. And you can do this any kind of way you want, but this is the way I'm doing it today. Okay, now I'm gonna do my last shelf. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my little thankful sign here. Because I am so thankful to God for all what He have done for me. Okay, so I'm going to do my last shelf. And I'm gonna start out with this little tray here. And it's just gonna be a background. I'm gonna put it right here all the way to the back. Just give it a different texture. Then I have my little plants here. I'm gonna put those over here to the side here. Then I have another one, and I'm gonna put it over here on this side. And then this little tray or a stand, I'm gonna put it right here. I think I got that from a Goodwill or estate sale. I love my estate sale. And since this is so open, I just went on put my bees and a candle in it. It smells so good. It has this whole place. It's I don't know what kind of candle this is. It's a Yes King candle, but it smells so good. It has this whole room smelling. I'm gonna put it right here, and that's all to it. So we're gonna do some aftershocks, and I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. Okay, so there you have it. I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I did. I just like to thank all my subscribers. I like to thank all my new subscribers for being here with me. And I thank y'all for all the prayers that went up as I went through my ordeal. I thank y'all for that. And one day I will share my story that I had going through this right here, what I had to go through with. But you know what? God still is good. And if you have not already subscribed, please do. Hit that subscribe button and hit it twice so you can get all my notifications when I'm gonna have another upload again. Okay, enough been said. I always say that God do love you so much, and so do I. And take care. And we'll see y'all the next time with Styling with Miss Betty. Okay, I'm going to say bye-bye.